didn't want to say anything at Hunt's Tomb because I wanted to pay my respects. Or it's just very quiet up there, so I didn't want to talk. People are up there enjoying their peace, watching the sunset. I didn't want to be a nuisance. But so to the story I was talking to you guys about. Okay, so that's Hunt's Tomb right there. As the plaque says up there, Governor Hunt was a very colorful man, or a man who liked to do things his way. And so when he was buried, he wanted to be seen as a man of the people, and he chose to go with a pyramid, basically. His wife died first, and so she was put in the pyramid first, and then Governor Hunt died like 3 years later and was buried there too. And there's 5 other family members also in the tomb. But he wanted something that was going to last through the ages, and so he thought, what better way to last through the ages than with the pyramid, inspired by his trip overseas in the Giza pyramids. And I mean, this was almost 100 years ago now, and it's still up there. I mean, yeah, it's still there, and it still captures the eye to this day. A white pyramid on top of a hill, pretty recognizable from afar. And yeah, up there it's super peaceful, very nice views. You see the whole valley up there, all the mountains, the whole city. So yeah, a really great spot. That's why he chose it, and it fits in with the surrounding environment. This is Egypt-ish. This is like the Egypt of the US, Phoenix. But that's what I'm gonna call it. This civilization, this massive civilization, this influential civilization. So it does fit right in with the environment. But yeah, I just wanted to share that story with you guys, and also share that I finally made it to the tomb at long last. I've been talking about it for almost a month. I didn't have the stamina to do it, but now I finally did it. So that's the story. Will I come back here again? Maybe I'll bring Lise next time. But I'm about to be moving to Gilbert soon, so my Phoenix Papago Park escapades won't be so frequent. We'll be running to other places in the valley.